Hi, lovely children. Today we are going to read the book Mud. Mud. But first, let's have a look at some sight words. I, we, he, to, was. The, be, she, me, do, of, be, inky, snake. I, inky, I. Z, bee, z, s, snake, s, inky, bee and snake run. Inky, bee and snake run. Snake, inky and bee jump. Snake, inky and bee jump. Oof, oof, oof. Splash, splash. Bee lands in the mud. Bee lands in the mud. Oops, oops. Inky and snake help to scrub the mud off bee. Inky and snake help to scrub the mud off bee. Dear children, as we have finished reading the book, it is time for some questions. Are you ready, children? Who says S? Yes, the snake says S. Who lands in the mud? Yes, bee lands in the mud. How do Inky and Snake get the mud off bee? Inky and Snake help to scrub the mud off bee by pouring some water over her. Congratulations, children! You just finished reading a book. Do repeat this book again and again so that you become a master at reading.